Hello and welcome everybody to another high thumb video, and today I want to talk to you about Outlook and how to save a lot of time while using Outlook from home or anywhere virtually. Let's go ahead and see them. A lot of times when you get emails and email attachments and you do a lot of action to them. So for example, if you take a look here, I have a very important email that I would like to copy to a certain folder and maybe then delete this email and give it a certain category to easily find that email. Good news for you, we can do all those steps with one click of a button. First, quick steps are located on the home tab of the ribbon. And if you go all the way to the right, you will notice quick steps over here. Now, you will see a couple of pre-built ones. I want to go ahead and start one from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create New. And I'm going to call it the Copy to Folder and then delete. Go ahead and choose the first step, copy to a folder, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose which folder. So you can choose a folder right away, or you can tell it, hey, always ask me which folder. I'm gonna tell this one, go to VIP, and then after you go to a folder, I want you to be categorized as a work in progress, and then I would like you to be deleted. You can assign it a keyboard shortcut. I'm gonna go ahead and tell Control-Shift-1 and then click on Finish. So right now here at the top, you would see I have the copy to VIP folder quick step that will enable me to do all those three actions in one click of a button. Imagine all the time you're saving. So let's go ahead and try it on this awesome, really important email. Copy to VIP folder, and then boom, that email is gone. First, if I go ahead and check the VIP folder, I'm going to find that important email and then go to the deleted folder and see that that original email is deleted. Let me go ahead and check. Boom. There it is. And you would see the email is categorized on here. And then you will see in the deleted items that there is that email deleted. Let's go ahead and try it on the second very important email. I will use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-1. The keyboard shortcut also works and it moved it to this folder as well. And now if you right click on the quick step that you have in here, you can edit, duplicate, delete. Go ahead and give that a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Working with email templates takes a lot of time, so let's become efficient and learn how to do it where we manage, store, edit, and save email templates the easiest way possible. I get a lot of emails from clients about the topics list and I send it over and over again and I edit the client's name and I have it saved on a folder and then I copy and paste, and instead of doing all that, do it the high thumb way where you can go ahead and do it with one click of a button or even a keyboard shortcut. First, create a new email and populate your template in the body of the email just like you see right here. Then you want to make sure you select all of it by using the keyboard shortcut Control-A. And then next, you want to go ahead to the Insert tab and look for the awesome Quick Parts. Wait for it, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna click on Quick Parts drop down arrow, save selection to Quick Parts Gallery. And now you want to give it a name that you're gonna remember. I'm gonna call it Topics List and then click on OK. Now that template is saved under the Quick Parts Gallery. I'm gonna create a new email. I will start with the template name that I gave that I told you to remember. Topics List. And now I get a tooltip. Hey, if you want to populate that template, go ahead and enter. Boom. What? There is my email template populated in here. So this is really amazing. Go ahead and give that a try. You will also see them right here under Quick Parts Gallery, and you can go ahead and select that template. Boom. Tell me that's not awesome. One of the new cool ways to draw somebody's attention to an email is mentioning them within the email. So I'll go ahead and mention myself, and then I'll use the keyboard shortcut Control-Enter, and then enter again to send. And now you'll see I got an email with an mention. Now if I get a lot of emails that I'm mentioned within those emails and I can easily search for them, I can go over here above the mail part, and you see it is sorted by date. I can click on the drop down arrow and choose Mention Mail, and I'll see all the emails that I'm mentioned within. Thank you guys for watching, and check out our YouTube channels. We have videos that have tips that will save you a lot of time.